got the executive room, but she's just basically like...
Hello, my name's Luissa and this is my microblading brow experience video. In this video I'm just going to kind of start off by talking about like my experience, like where I got it done, who done them, how much it was, the pain, everything that happens, things like that. And then throughout the course of them healing I'm going to like update every so often when I notice a difference in them or I've noticed something new about them. I thought it would be quite a good idea because I got so many messages like in regards to my eyebrows, like if they were sore and like how much they were and who'd done them. So I thought it would be a good idea just smash it all into a video and so you can like literally see what's happening through the camera. That's all I was wanting to say, so now I'm just going to get on with the video. I got these done about 2 days ago now. I got them done by the Instagram page Chelsea's Brows, which is absolutely unreal. Obviously my eyebrows look amazing. I'll put her little Instagram handle down here. Chelsea Brows is based in Barrhead in Glasgow. Now I know that is a wee bit out of Glasgow because I was kind of a bit like, oh that's so crap, because I was searching for so long for the right person to get, and when I seen Chelsea's Brows I was like yes, I'm going to her. But when I seen it was Barrhead I was a bit like, oh that's a bit out. But honestly it's not. Glasgow Central, it's like a 10-minute train to Barrhead. It's really easy as well. When you get off the train it's literally just you go up and then you turn left and then it's just literally straight all the way down, and it takes not even 5 minutes to get there. It's really easy to get to, so it's definitely worth it. If you're thinking about getting them done, then definitely go to Chelsea's Brows. She's absolutely amazing. I could not recommend her enough. Now in regards to like soreness and the pain, I'd found it painful, but it wasn't like a pain where I couldn't handle it. Like it wasn't that bad, like it was kind of just bearable pain. I basically sat like that and I just squeezed my finger really hard when I found it sore. I found it more sore at the tails than I did here. It doesn't take too long either. It's literally 15 to 20 minutes actual microblading part, so really the pain doesn't last that long. It's not too bad at all. I would say from 0 to 10, and 10 being like the actual sorest, I'll probably say it's like a 3.5 to a 4. The pricing for microblading is the first setting you get is £99, and then 4 weeks later you get a top up which is £69. The reason why you get a top up in like 4 weeks time, when you're on the process like your eyebrows healing over these 4 weeks, they're going to fade a lot because obviously your skin's never been used to like getting semi-permanent eyebrows done before. Your skin's not used to getting it done, so a lot of it will fade and some bits will literally fade to nothing, so there'll be some hair strokes that just disappear. Also as well, if you notice any like wee things that you want changed and things like that too, on the top up you can get it fixed as well. So I think it is a really good idea to get a top up. Definitely I would 100% recommend it. I've not had mine yet obviously, so I'm recommending something I've not had yet, but I think it's a brilliant idea to go and get a top up in 4 weeks time, especially considering a lot of it goes discoloured, faded and things like that, and if there's things you maybe want to change or add and things like that too. Now I'm going to go into the actual experience, like what happens, how long it takes and things like that. So basically what happens is when you first go in you get given like forms. There are like 3 forms. One of them's like a medical form, the other one's just giving you like a disclaimer just saying this could happen, this could happen, this could happen, this could happen. And then I think the other one is just basically saying that you allow or not allowed to get pictures, videos taken, things like that, and then you just sign them all and put like your email address and like your name and your age, things like that. Put them in and then you get like this numbing cream put on your eyebrows. You get this put on half an hour before you actually get the microblading done. So Chelsea puts on like the numbing cream and then she puts like a bit of cling film over your face, so you just sit with that on for half an hour in the waiting room bit, and then once that's ready she'll come and she'll take them off and then she'll say right it's time to go through. So you go to the back of the salon where the microblading room is. It's so nice. I love how it's like so bright and clean, and it's just really nice inside. It's really comfortable as well. Like there'd be nothing worse if you were sitting going to get your eyebrows done, you just feel so uncomfortable in the space, but no, it's really nice. You just sit back on the chair and you just like sit back. Like I don't know if you've had eyelash extensions before, but it's like when you sit back to get them done. That's totally a horrible angle, but yeah, you just sit back like that and then she just basically explains to you what's going to happen. The first part that happens is she's going to stencil out the eyebrows, because obviously she's not just going to go right in and do it. She needs to make sure that she can try and get them identical as possible. That's also another thing I'd like to say as well, because I didn't really think about this until I was getting them done. Because your face isn't symmetrical, your eyebrows aren't symmetrical either, so Jill tries to get them as symmetrical as possible, but obviously you can't do them the exact same. But I think mine's look as near as damn it. I think they look amazing. Has to go in and make sure they're identical as possible, so she just goes in and like uses all these mad stencils to like stencil them all out, and then once she's done she'll show you and she'll say what do you think of the shape, and then in the middle she just put like a little blob here and the colour she thought was best. She was like this is the colour I think is best, and then this is the shape, what do you think? So I had a wee look and I was like I think they're great, love them, go ahead. So once she does that, she starts doing the actual microblading. She'll start and then she'll go through, and once she does them all, she'll check through them all and then add other bits, then wipes bits off, does more bits. Once she's done that, she then waxes your eyebrows just like around the eyebrow, because I don't know why, but my mum and people at my work and stuff are like, oh my god, she like wax your actual eyebrow off. I'm like, no, she waxes around the eyebrow, because obviously like the eyebrow shape she does is so like precise, and then bits around it you could have like stray hairs and stuff, because I had loads of stray hairs. I hadn't had my eyebrows done since last August, so they weren't looking the best. So she goes around and waxes them all as well, and then she shows you them and she asks if that's like, if you like them and if there's any changes you want. But I loved mine's. I was like, no, mine's are amazing. That's kind of all that happens. And then after for the healing process and stuff, you've just to like get like I'll show you just now. Use like these, like, you know, like the cotton pads used for like taking makeup off in micellar water. You have just to wet one of these but squeeze it so it's damp, and then you've just to like dab your eyebrows. So you do that every so many hours for them to heal. But these will fade quite a bit. She was telling me like in the next like few weeks I'll notice quite a difference in the shade. They will go a lot lighter, so they won't stay this dark. So that's why you go for like top up and that too, but they won't like stay this colour. They will go a bit lighter. It's just because they're like trying to heal and stuff. And she'll say as well, over like the next like few days in the week and stuff, my eyebrows will go really dry and scabby, but that's just because my eyebrows are obviously like healing and they'll scab to like get better. Yeah, that's kind of all the type of questions that I kind of got asked. Overall, I definitely do recommend that. If I hadn't had them done, I would definitely go back and get them done. Like I'm obsessed. I love them so much. It's such a difference. Like I really don't feel confident not wearing any makeup at all. I feel horrible not wearing it, and that's why I wanted to get my eyebrows done for so long, because my eyebrows naturally, I'll put in a picture because I found a video the other day where I've got no makeup on, and it's crazy like seeing the difference now to then. Like my eyebrows are so different now, like they look so much better. So I definitely recommend that if you like feel like your natural eyebrows aren't that great and stuff. It's definitely worth the money, because it can last like from like 6 months to 2 years, I think it is. So it's definitely worth the money. Like today I'm going to the cinema with my little sister, and I've just put on like a wee bit lip gloss, a wee bit mascara and a wee bit like bronzer, and I feel like I look so much more like I've made an effort because my eyebrows are done. Definitely recommend that 100%. That's it for the little like sit down talk video. The next like few clips and stuff will just be like wee vloggy bits. Whenever I notice a difference, I'll just literally pick up the camera and like say to you what I've seen that's different or any updates on it, and then at the end I'm going to collate my overall experience and what I thought of the eyebrows. I meant to show you, but this is what the eyebrows look like. They're amazing. They're proper like microbladed. I love them. Well, that's the point microbladed, but yeah, this is what they look like. They're really dark just now, but like I said, they will lighten over the time. In regards to my eyebrows, they've started to fade the tiniest wee bit now. I've noticed wee differences in them. Also, they've started to like go quite dry in a weird sense. I have to put damp cotton pads with water on it every like couple of hours, so I've been doing that. It was weird because they went really dark before they've gotten lighter. I began to notice they've got a wee bit lighter, but I don't know if you can tell, they've began to fade a wee bit like at the tails. But I think that's normal, because basically like that's where you kind of sleep. That's where I kind of sleep on. So I think that's why they've begun to fade a bit more than the rest. I'm loving them. I've had so many compliments on them. A lot of people have been saying like how symmetrical and stuff they are, and they're like a really nice shape and stuff. So I'm really chuffed with them. So far the results have been great. But yeah, they've just been a bit dry and they've faded a little bit. I just thought I would do a quick update because this has been a week now since I got my eyebrows done, so 7 days ago. There's quite a lot of changes and stuff in them now that I've noticed. I don't know if you can see, but they're beginning to fade quite a bit now, and they're going like discoloured at some parts, like here, and things like that. You can see healing up quite well. I think I had a little like search on Google and stuff to see like how the healing process and stuff works, and they look like they're healing up pretty well, which is good. I'm beginning to get a lot more used to them now. To start with I was like, well, these are so like intense when I've not got any makeup on, but now I'm getting a lot more used to them and I'm actually loving them. They're such a good shape, and see when I'm just like going to the gym or something, or just going to work and I've not got makeup on, I feel like a lot more put together. Like I feel like I've made a bit of an effort. They're quite dry as well. Like when you touch them they feel really quite dry, but also that's normal, so they're healing up pretty good. This is in between about a week to 2 weeks now, and there's quite big changes in them. I don't know if you can see it on camera as well, but they're really like discoloured, like light coloured some places, dark coloured other places. It looks a bit mental, but it is part of the healing process. It's just what happens while they're healing. I forgot to film before I went out on Friday. It was the first time I wore makeup since I've had my eyebrows done.
I'll put in like pictures of me from Friday, and honestly you will not believe that I have no product in my eyebrows. Well, it's a lie, I've got the tiniest bit just here and here, but everywhere else was my natural brow with microblading done. I was actually shook. I had so much compliments when we went out for Ross's birthday. People were like, oh my god, your eyebrows look really good. And I was like, I've got nothing on them bar my microblading. I had such a good shape, and it took me like half an hour to 45 minutes. Usually it takes me about an hour and a half to do my makeup because I take that long to do my eyebrows because there's literally nothing there. So it just shows you the difference it makes. I was ready so early on Friday, it was great. Hello, I thought I would do a little update. So this will be like my final update for my top up. This is what my eyebrows look like now. Some fully healed. As you can tell, they are very faded and a lot of bits like they're not there. They look so much fuller than what they normally do, so I'm really pleased with the results. And I know once I go for the top up, they'll fix the bits that are not really there. That's what the whole point of the top up is. I thought for the top up it would be a good idea if I actually took you with me. Instead of last time I just kind of told you what happened. Thought it'd be good for you to actually see what happens. So I'm going to do like a little vloggy clip after this, and me being there and like get clips of Chelsea actually doing my eyebrows so you can actually see what happens. Yeah, I'll vlog once I get there.